You might often encounter a data model that's unsuitable or not fit for purpose and leads to data analysis issues. When this occurs, you can take steps to rebuild the model and fix these issues. Over the next few minutes, you'll learn how to identify and resolve some common challenges arising from unsuitable data models. AdventureWorks uses a Star Schema for its data model in Power BI to analyze sales and customer data. However, this data model is not effectively meeting the company's analytical requirements. AdventureWorks has very large data sets, and the company's departments want to visualize this data according to their specific needs. However, this is difficult to achieve with the currently employed model. AdventureWorks needs your help to resolve these issues and create a new, more suitable data model. The first step is to analyze the existing model and identify its issues. Some examples of common issues you could find in a data model include inferior performance, issues with data consistency, and limited scalability. Let's begin with the issue of inferior performance. The current data model might not be optimized for query performance, resulting in slow report generation and analysis. Complex calculations based on larger datasets contribute to slow performance. This makes it difficult for business users to draw real-time valuable insights from that data. The sales table in the AdventureWorks model contains columns like product descriptions. These columns can be normalized into a dimension table for faster insights. The next issue identified with the data model is inconsistent data. Disparate sources of data can be integrated without being properly validated. For example, duplicate data or incorrect data types. This can lead to inaccurate reporting in your analysis. AdventureWorks' data model contains multiple examples of duplicate and inaccurate data across its tables. If these tables aren't fully normalized, this redundant and inaccurate data will enter the company's reports. The final issue that was identified is that of limited scalability. In other words, the model cannot scale alongside a company to accommodate its increased data volume and associated evolving analytical needs. AdventureWorks' current model cannot integrate additional data sources, emerging business requirements, or analytical needs. So, now that you've completed your analysis and identified the issues, you need to resolve the model's challenges. You can propose the following measures as a line of action to resolve these modeling and analytical problems. The first step is to conduct a thorough assessment of the current data model and find any other issues that might exist. Once you've identified all the issues, you can plan a redesign of the data model. You must also understand the following data model components to support meaningful analysis and decision-making: the model's specific data elements and their sources, and the dimension and fact tables, the relationships that exist between the model's tables, and the model's calculations and measures. Another important step is to collaborate with stakeholders and business users to define the analytical requirements and objectives to be achieved. For example, AdventureWorks' sales department wants to identify the top-performing product categories for each region, and the marketing team wants to understand the impact of marketing campaigns within specific territories. Understand these analytical requirements and objectives so you can redesign a data model that implements all these requirements from the stakeholders and management team. Based on your assessment, you've decided to redesign the data model as a snowflake schema. You can complete this process by performing the following actions: normalize the dimension tables, create new tables where necessary, establish proper relationships and cardinality, and create hierarchies. Compute custom calculations and measures using DAX, test and validate, and document all changes. These actions will bring the following benefits to the data model. They'll improve model performance and enhance data integrity. They'll also remove data redundancies and boost the scalability of data analysis. You then need to carry out the final few steps: transform and validate the data while also implementing data quality checks. You can also optimize the model, then test it to ensure it functions as required. Finally, deploy the new data model and train users to make sure everyone is familiar with how it works. By implementing these steps, you can help AdventureWorks resolve challenges posed by the not fit for purpose data model. The newly optimized data model will meet AdventureWorks' analytical requirements, improve its data integrity, and guarantee adaptability to changing business needs.